Imagine a customer sees your ad on Facebook or Instagram, taps it, and instead of landing on a slow page with a form to fill out, they land directly inside a WhatsApp chat with your business. No redirects, no waiting, just a conversation started in one click. That's CTX. And if you're running ads and not using this format yet, you're leaving serious conversion rates on the table. Let me show you exactly how it works and how to manage everything that comes after. CTX stands for Click to Messaging. It's Meta's conversational ad format. When someone clicks a CTX ad, instead of going to a landing page, they get dropped directly into a chat window. There are 3 versions depending on which platform you want to connect to. CTWA, Click to WhatsApp. The user taps your ad on Facebook or Instagram, and it opens a WhatsApp chat directly with your business number. This is the most powerful one because WhatsApp has over 2 billion active users and message open rates that email can't compete with. CTM, Click to Messenger. Same idea, but it opens a Facebook Messenger chat. Good for audiences that are more Facebook native. CTD, Click to Instagram Direct. The user taps your ad, and it opens an Instagram DM conversation. This is particularly effective if your brand lives on Instagram and you want to keep the conversation in that environment. All 3 share the same core mechanic. One tap, instant conversation, no friction in between. Let's be honest about what happens after most ad clicks. Someone taps your ad, they wait for a landing page to load, they see a form with 5 fields to fill in, and somewhere between field 2 and field 3, they're gone. The post-click drop-off on traditional ads is a real problem, and it compounds with every extra step you add between the tap and the conversion. CTX eliminates that drop-off. There's no page to load, no form to fill. The user taps, and they're in a conversation. The psychological barrier is completely different. Sending a message feels low commitment. I'm just asking a question. That low commitment is exactly what gets people to start. And once they've started a conversation, the path to conversion is your job to manage. There's also a critical technical advantage to understand. When a user messages you through a CTX ad on WhatsApp, it unlocks a 72-hour free messaging window. Let me explain why that matters. WhatsApp Business has specific rules about when and how you can message customers, and understanding this is essential for running CTX campaigns properly. The standard rule is a 24-hour window. When a customer sends you a message, you have 24 hours from their last message to reply freely, any format, any content. After that window closes, you can only reach them using Meta-approved template messages, which cost money and require pre-approval. Here's where CTX becomes even more valuable. When a user clicks a CTX ad and messages you through that link, it doesn't trigger the standard 24-hour window. It triggers a 72-hour extended window, but only if you reply within the first 24 hours. If you do, you get 3 full days of free format messaging. Text, images, buttons, offers, follow-ups, all free, all flexible. So, the playbook looks like this. A user taps your CTWA ad, they send their first message, even just hi, and the 72-hour clock starts the moment you reply within 24 hours. You now have 3 days to qualify this lead, send product information, handle objections, and close up without paying for template messages. For Messenger CTM campaigns, the advantage is even longer. A user's first message via Messenger CTX gives you permanent contact access. Once they've messaged you through an ad, you can follow up via Messenger at any point in the future. To run a CTWA campaign, you need a Facebook or Instagram ad account connected to a WhatsApp business number. Go into Meta Ads Manager, create a new campaign, and at the ad set level, under the conversion location, select WhatsApp. From there, you configure the pre-populated message, the text that autofills in the user's WhatsApp chat the moment they tap the ad. Keep this short and specific. Something like, "Hi, I saw your ad and I'm interested," tells you immediately this is a warm lead from that campaign. For CTD, same process but select Instagram Direct at the ad set level. For CTM, select Messenger. The pre-populated message is important for one more reason. It helps you track which campaign a conversation came from. When a lead messages you and their opening line matches the pre-populated text you said in the ad, you know exactly which audience segment and which creative that lead came from. Best practices for CTX campaigns. Set up AI auto replies so that every incoming message gets acknowledged within minutes, which both retains the conversation window and sets the right expectation for response time. Pre-approve your Meta template messages for when you need to re-engage leads whose windows have closed, and integrate the Meta Conversions API to track the full path from ad click to close deal. Without that tracking, you're flying blind on which CTX campaigns are actually converting. So you've set up your CTX ads correctly. You've got CTWA running, CTD running, maybe Messenger too, and it's working. Leads are coming in, WhatsApp is blowing up, Instagram DMs are filling up, Messenger is active. Now what? Here's the problem that every business running CTX campaigns hits within the first week. The messages are coming in from 3 different platforms, and there's no central place to see all of them. Your team is switching between WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger. Someone messages you on WhatsApp, and a teammate replies on Instagram thinking it's the same person. A hot lead messages at 9 p.m. Nobody sees it until morning. The window is already shrinking. Your response times slow down, your conversion rate starts dropping, and the efficiency advantage CTX was supposed to give you starts getting eaten up by the chaos of managing it all manually. Message overload from multiple channels, slow response times because there's no system, leads falling through the cracks because no one person has visibility across all platforms at once. This is exactly the problem SaleSmartly was built to solve. Go to SaleSmartly.com. SaleSmartly is an omni-channel customer communication platform. It pulls your WhatsApp, Instagram DMs, Facebook Messenger, Telegram, TikTok, Line, and more into one unified inbox. Every message from every channel appears in one place, with full conversation history, channel identification, and team assignment tools built around it. For businesses running CTX campaigns specifically, this is the operational layer that makes the strategy work at scale. Sign up and you'll land on the main dashboard. Click Integrations in the left sidebar. You'll see the full list of supported channels. Click WhatsApp, authorize your WhatsApp business number, and within 60 seconds, your WhatsApp messages are flowing into SaleSmartly. Repeat for Instagram. Click Instagram, authorize, done. Do the same for Facebook Messenger. Now go back to the main inbox. Every incoming message from every channel appears here in real time. You can see the channel icon on each conversation, WhatsApp green, Instagram gradient, Messenger blue. You know immediately where the message came from, which matters when you're managing CTX campaigns across multiple platforms simultaneously. Click into a WhatsApp conversation. On the right side, you'll see the customer profile, their contact information, full interaction history across all channels, any tags your team has applied, and notes from previous conversations. If this lead also messaged you on Instagram 2 days ago, that conversation is linked. You're not starting from scratch every time. For CTX campaign management, this visibility is essential. You can see at a glance which leads came in through which channel, filter by campaign tag, and assign conversations to specific team members. No more message overlap, no more duplicate replies. Click Automation in the left sidebar. This is where you set up the infrastructure that protects your WhatsApp conversation windows. Create a new auto reply rule. Set the trigger to new message received, and set the response to something like, "Thanks for reaching out. We received your message and will get back to you within a few minutes." Save it. Now, every CTX lead that messages you gets an instant acknowledgement. This reply counts as your first response. It activates the 72-hour extended window and sets a professional expectation for response time. Now, create a chatbot for qualification. Click Chatbot, New Bot. Set a keyword trigger. Pricing. Price. How much? Interested. Build a simple response flow that asks one qualifying question. What product are you interested in? And routes the conversation to the right team member based on the reply. This means your human team is only spending time on conversations that are already pre-qualified. The AI handles the initial intake. Click the Team section. You can assign specific conversations to individual team members, set availability status, and create internal notes on any conversation that the customer can't see. For a business running multiple CTX campaigns with a small team, this assignment system means nothing gets missed, and no conversation is being handled by 2 people simultaneously. The real-time translation feature is worth calling out. If a lead messages in Spanish, Arabic, or any of the 134 supported languages, SaleSmartly translates it in the inbox. Your team replies in English, and it translates back. For businesses running CTX campaigns targeting international markets, this removes a language barrier that would otherwise require a separate solution. Click Analytics. You can see response time averages, conversation volume by channel, and resolution rates. For CTX campaign optimization, the channel breakdown tells you which platform, WhatsApp, Instagram, Messenger, is driving the most engaged conversations. That data feeds directly back into your ad budget allocation decisions. That's the full workflow: CTX ads to bring customers into a conversation, SaleSmartly to manage every conversation across every channel in one place, with AI automation protecting your response windows and keeping your team coordinated. Want to give SaleSmartly a try? Use the links in my description to sign up and get in touch with the SaleSmartly support team. Just mention my referral code and they'll unlock a 7-day free trial for you so you can test everything before making a decision. The link is in the description. Go set up your first CTX campaign, connect your channels to SaleSmartly, and stop letting leads fall through the cracks.